Hi everyone, I'm Build Boy. Let's share. I'd like to share how long it takes to construct a completed survey. Let's start. A plan starts from master plan, followed by preliminary design, tender, and contract. All countries may have their master plan to make development equally. If the ground roads or expressway are not sufficient to cater to the public, they may consider a subway. Preliminary design before call tender may take around 3 years. A tender and award to a contractor normally take half year each. Preparation works may compromise survey, site access, and site office. Upon the start of contract, the contractor may carry out survey to locate where to build with coordinates XYZ. Firstly, need to develop working design with soil investigation. Soil investigation is the core soil samples to apply actual soil conditions to design temporary retaining wall systems and permanent structures. If there are underground utilities, they need trial trench diversion, support over excavation, and support backfilling. To excavate and locate the utilities, trial trench will be carried out in a careful manner, which is mostly excavated by manual to avoid any unforeseen damage disrupting the public. The diversion will be arranged to relocate out of the excavation area. Instrumentation focuses on the control processes that use sensors as input. They can be concerned with equipment processes using sensors to observe many types of variables. Soil improvement is the adaptation of any property of the soil to improve its engineering performance such as strength, reduced compressibility, reduced permeability, or improved ground water condition. Pipe, foundation member used from prehistoric times. In modern civil engineering, piles of timber, steel, or concrete are driven into the ground to support the structure. Bridge piles may be supported on groups of large diameter piles. A retaining wall is structure designed and constructed to resist the lateral pressure of soil. When there is desired change in ground elevation that exceeds the angle of difference of the soil, retaining walls are used for supporting soil laterally so that it can be retained at different levels on two sides. There are kinds of methods that can be used like C piles, second board piles, H pile, tubular pipe, etc. Excavation works with strut system. Cross slot or internal bracing transfers the lateral earth and water pressure between opposing walls through compressive strut. Lakers resting on a foundation mat or lock offer another internal bracing alternative. Typically, the struts are either pipe or I-beam sections and are usually preloaded to provide a very stiff system. RC works takes 1.5 years, but it is different from projects like other works. Reinforced concrete RC is very versatile composite and one of the most widely used material in modern construction. To increase its overall strength, steel rods, wires, mesh, cables can be embedded in concrete before it sets. This reinforcement, often known as lever, resists tensile forces. When cast concrete, elevator pump can be used or other machinery can be applied. During casting, mechanical vibration is very important to feel concrete inside packed lever. Backfilling will take around 2 years. Backfilling is the process of reusing or replacing the soil that is removed during the excavation of foundations. Soil or LSS can be used. Architectural work takes 2 years. Architectural engineering is an engineering discipline that deals with technological aspects like planning, design, construction. During archive works, system-wide work prosecuted. Restoring or landscaping the site or building work after the roof is finished. If the work is underground, this can mean restoring it to the condition it was before work began. Otherwise, it can mean turfing, planting extra to make it look neat and tidy rather than just leaving bare earth and the level. Open to public is the end of the stages of survey. After the contractor completes and hands over the survey operator, the station will be opened. Basically, the construction time is different from countries' projects. This table can be one or example. In summary, planning may take 4 years, while construction requires another 8 years. Then we may say the survey needs 12 years to build.